We're here today at Riverside station at Booligal. The total size of the property is about 60,000 hectares. The fences that we're putting up now should see my sons out and be here for my grandchildren. We undertook this fencing program for several reasons. The main one was the influx of wild dogs. We've got a wild pig problem which we can control with the exclusion fencing, and we tried to do rotational grazing, and we were finding that total grazing pressure was an issue with the wildlife moving into paddocks that we destocked. So far we've got about 50 or 60 kilometres of exclusion fence in. By the middle of next year we should have about 150. The main benefits so far have been controlling pigs, and enables us to do a rotational grazing which already is showing benefits in better biodiversity of the plant species.
We're anticipating that our stocking rates are going to go up by about 10%, and I think that's pretty conservative looking at the way the exclusion has been working in other areas. We believe that in the next, like in 25 to 30 years time, the fence is still going to be there the way we're designing it and the way we're building it. It's going to give us the real benefit, especially running into dry times. It might buy us a month, but that might be the month that we need until we get the next rain. Once you start sitting down there and really crunching the numbers, it all just adds up. It is a big cost and outlay to get it done, but the benefits are well and truly there in the long run. It's costing us $17 a hectare to put it in, and we're budgeting on $50 a hectare out the other side. That's work and time, but it's going to pay off very quickly.
When we normally have fences that are inundated with floodwater, after 2 floods they are pretty poor condition, and after the 3rd one you'll need to replace wires that have been rusted out. We've got some of this blue wire that's been through 2 floods now, and it's just into the 3rd, and there doesn't seem to be any deterioration so far. So obviously the maintenance on our fences in the flood country is going to be considerably less.
I suppose that if you look back with the previous generations, there's always been something big that's been done, and that this is the big part that we're doing that's hopefully going to be the legacy going forwards, that we're setting up Tom's Lake and Riverside and Tarragini now for the next generation to be able to manage these issues going forwards.